Looking back, I realized how much time I wasted on Monday mornings. I used to be the guy who opened the fridge, stared at it, and felt like my brain was completely empty, just like that fridge. I remember sitting in front of my computer, intending to learn something new, but instead I would spend hours just watching football highlights. I wasn't really lazy. I was just stuck in an energy saving mode. I had no confidence, and I felt like I was constantly waiting for inspiration that never showed up. But I finally learned the truth. Motivation is a myth. You don't find it, you create it by taking the first step. And that is exactly why I started this journey to master English. If you've been waiting for the perfect moment to start, let me tell you, that moment is now. Stop waiting for inspiration and start taking action. Join me on this path. Let's learn, let's speak up, and let's grow together. Start today, not tomorrow. This isn't just about learning English, it's about starting a brand new chapter together. Right here, right now, we are planting the seeds for our future selves. I am building this path for us, and I want you to walk it with me. The journey is fresh, the goal is clear, and the best time to start is this very moment. So, if you're ready to grow, to speak with confidence, and to finally unlock your true potential, join our community. Subscribe, turn on notifications, and let's make today the beginning of your greatest transformation. Welcome to the journey.